Afternoon, Abby. This is Philip from Pacific Toyota. Here's a quick video tour of this 2022 Kia Carnival S. Now, before I show you the car, I would like to show you where we are. So we are at 251 Mulgrave Road. This is one of the 3 used car yard. Across the road, we have the new Toyota and Lexus showroom and our overnight service department. Now, we sell about 300 cars a month, got around 17 salespeople. Half of the cars that we sell is up and down the coast and interstate. And if you look us in Google reviews, you can also find a lot of satisfied customers who purchased from us. Now, looking into your car from the left hand side, I'll point out any imperfections that I see, alright, given it's a used car, as well as all the cool features within this car as well. So from the left hand side, with the naked eye, you won't be able to pick any visible scratches or bruises. However, there is a tiny stone chip which has been brushed. There's a brush touch on it, so 1, 2. Now this is all dirt because it's been raining in Cairns. It's a bit dirty, but before we send you the car, it will go through another detailing. You have the Kia badge here, got your headlights, which is clear, doesn't have any fork to it. And right here, there is one visible mark that you can see. That's a scratch. Otherwise, it is in really good condition from the front side. Now, looking into your tires, the tires have 100% of the tread left. It's new tires, brand new tires. I'll show you underneath the car as well. If you can see, there is no buildup of rust or anything of that sort. Now, looking into the car from the passenger side, I don't see any visible scratches. This is dirt that I can take off. There are tiny little marks, but barely visible even from here, as you can see. Okay. Now let's open up the car. I do have the key for it. You get 2 sets of keys. Into the interior is nice and pristine and clean. Right? You don't see any visible stains anywhere. Alright? No scratches whatsoever. Like, look at this. It's in very good condition. Okay, onto the dash mat, it's in good condition. Handrest, very clean, and the space inside is big too. Alright, I'll start up the car and show you from all sides. Of course, it's a Carnival, so it's got sliding doors. Open up the car, got plenty of leg room. Alright, you can fold this. Up here you can also see plenty of leg room at the last 3 seats as well. Okay, there you go. You got cup holders. Got ventilation here, so keep you nice and cool during summer weather. You can even control the climate from that switch right there. From the passenger seats. Now you do have your USB ports, which is pretty cool from that seat. Alright, keeping your kids entertained. Now I'll close this door. Okay, so there is a few visible marks here, as you can see. They have been paint touched. Okay. Otherwise, from the back, I don't see anything visible. Onto the roof of the car. It's also in good condition. The back tires are new too. Looking from the rear of the car, we can see it is pretty pristine and clean. Got the long tail light as well as a Kia badge, and the Carnival logo here. There is a slight bruise right here, as you can see, and tiny little scratches here which has been brushed as well. So let's open up the boot of this car. Okay, so of course this seat, you can fold it, which is very easy to do, and there you go, it's done. So you have plenty of boot space at the back as well. Comes with genuine tools and spanner for your spare tire. The spare tire for this car is right here. Now I will start the engine. You do have your blind spot monitoring and safety features as well. Alright, so you're greeted with a Kia welcome sound. Okay, let's go slightly forward. Let's start up this car. Alrighty, you don't have any engine lights whatsoever, it's just showing the boot is open. Has done 69,620 kilometers. Got your infotainment here. Alright. And it's pretty cool, the infotainment. Alright, it has connectivity for Apple Play, CarPlay and Android Auto. Alright, to keep playing that music. The climate control is right here, and it also comes with a reverse camera, which I will show you after I put down the boot. So there you go, you do have your rear camera here. So let's put it in the reverse mode and show you the reverse camera for this car. Alright, so that's your reverse camera. Okay. The handbrakes automatic, by handbrakes I mean it's automated parking brakes. So as soon as you start to change the gear, it disengages, but once you put it on parking, of course you can change it as well. So you can get the rear camera from here. Plenty of space. I like the cream color with the black touch trim to it. Makes it looks very nice. Alright, now let's open up the engine bay and show you what's underneath the hood. Now, the engine is pretty clean by itself. Alright, it got a diesel engine. It's a small diesel engine, 2.2 liter I think, and it consumes less fuel. I think it's 6 liter every 100 kilometers, but this thing has tremendous amount of power if you even want to tow anything. If you want to, a small like 1.5 tons or something if you want to tow for camping needs. But overall it's in really good condition. A little bit of fading away, color faded right here, but overall brilliant car, brilliant value for the price, and hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you soon.